Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 4 and on Exercise 1 Simulation Exam. So if you want to complete my MylTLab course Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So total question is 4 and we move to the question number 1. Freeze the top row of the worksheet. So freeze the top row of the worksheet. So go to the view tabs and go to the window groups and click the freeze pen and freeze the top row of the worksheets. Click OK. Next is unfreeze the top row. So go to the window groups and click the freeze pen and click the unfreeze pen. Next is click the cell before and freeze the pen above and left of the active cell. So select the before and freeze the pen above and left of the active cell. So go to the view tabs and go to the window groups and click the freeze pen and click the freeze pen. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is display the worksheet in page break preview. Display the worksheet in page break preview. So click the page layout tabs and go to the page setup groups. Go to the view tabs and go to the workbook view and click the page break preview. Click OK. And next is insert the page break between row 39 to 14. So insert the page break row 39 between 14. So move and drag the line and row 30 to 40 and release the left mouse button. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is set the range A3 to G12 as the print area. So type the A3 to G12 and press enter. So select the range and set the print area. So go to the page layout tabs and go to the page setup group and click the set the print area and click OK. Next is change the scaling to 90%. So change the scaling to 90%. Go to the page layout tabs and go to the scale fields and click the 90% and clear the print area. So select the page setups and click the clear the print area. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is select the row 1 to 3 title to repeat on each page. So select the 1 to 3 and repeat the each of pages. So go to the page layout tabs and go to the page setup groups and click the print titles and next is row to repeat at the top is 1 to 3 and click OK. Next is select the column A title to repeat on each page. Look at the first 3 pages in print preview and the print of the worksheets. So select the column A as the title to repeat on each page. Look at the first 3 pages on print preview. So select the column A and select the column A title and repeats. So click the print titles and A to repeats the page and look at the first 3 pages print preview and then print preview. So select the column to repeat left and select the column A and click the print preview, and next is first three pages, sorry, first three pages, and print the worksheets and click the print the worksheet. So question number 4 is complete, so assignment is done, and please click OK to submit the assignment and click OK. So check the score is Excel chapter 4 simulation exam is Excel chapter 4 hand-on exercise 1 simulation exam is 100%. So if you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. If you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email.